Welcome back to Jessie Performance, guys. Thanks for tuning in. So we're going to be changing up how we do the videos a little bit. We're going to go more in depth on certain things. Jesse, would you care to explain that?
I think basically, we've got a lot of comments from people saying, we want to see how it's done. We want to see, the behind the scenes stuff more than just here's our finished product and here's us being idiots, So I want to bring the real shop feeling to the people. That way our customers and our friends and our viewers that aren't here can feel like they're here and a part of what we do.
And you get a better understanding of what actually goes into what we do.
Absolutely.
When you just see it fast or see the finished project, you're like, oh, that probably took a couple hours, but no. Never.
Weeks and weeks and weeks of work to get one little detail. Don't worry, it's still going to be funny. We're still who we are, Billy's still an idiot, so don't worry about that. Everything's going to be okay in that department.
Yeah.
All right, so here we have our, what used to be an LS header that we kind of grafted onto a Coyote flange. Here we have the ugly Coyote header, typical Ford shit, looking like trash. But we cut the flange off of that. We cut the flange off the LS header. We sectioned this up, and now we have it tacked onto the Coyote header. This is how we did it. was so wet. Oh my god, it was gross. Like
She found it outside.
It's like you can come on a go tooth.
Something like that. Holy shit. Listen,
Ew.
Yeah.
it's like a soggy pair of shoes.
Like your shoes.
Like your shoes?
Yeah. No.
Man,
So.
those things are tired.
Yeah.
That one's like damn. That
it's-
one's like
it's-
gone.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
No shoe stores are open.
Oh, if only there was the internet.
I did. I ordered some like 2 weeks ago. Still haven't shown up. So I don't know what's happening.
Thanks, Corona.
Yeah. Fuck Corona, right?
Still.
Still.
How's this still a thing?
I know it's like 4 months going on.
You can't figure it out.